Like one of my favorite examples is the breast cancer
Mm,
drug, Paclitaxel, which is in the
mm.
taxane family that comes from the Pacific U. And as far as I know, they're not synthesizing that. They're still extracting that from the
Wow.
Pacific
Okay.
U. So there's a limitation on the availability of that, their ability to extract that from wherever they get it. But at its core, even with all of the knowledge and the level of technology that we still have to rely on nature to provide in some instances.
Absolutely.
And I think there's a big difference, like you mentioned. I think this is a great example. If there's a plant in this room, right, and it lives in here with you,
Right.
that plant is basically growing in the same environment that you're growing in.
Right.
And if you think, okay, that plant is breathing the same air composition, generally, right, different parts,
Right.
and you guys are supporting each other synergistically, it's giving you some oxygen, you're giving it some CO2, and you're going
Right.
back and
Right.
forth. But there's things that can happen, like a virus could come in here that could infect that plant, and that plant will produce things to help fight that virus
Right.
or a fungus or
Right.
something. And now there's cross contamination there. You can have a virus that infects a plant that can also infect a human being, or a fungus that can grow in the lungs of a human being and on the plant. And so that plant could be producing something that you can then consume from the plant
Right.
that will allow you to fight that thing itself, even though your immune system didn't do it. So I wonder if we just gave plants like a little piece of us for medicine
Right.
because we take little
Totally.
pieces of them. Anyway, I went off a little bit on
Yeah,
that, but
I think so.
that's a beautiful synergy that exists, I think, with our medicine that doesn't exist with a lot of other medicines.
Dr. Michael, tell me what your thoughts are then. A side shoe to this would be like vitamins and supplements,
Hmm.
right?